Frank.
Yes, Ted.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna tell Mum and Dad the reason why we should have EAFC.
We have got a presentation for Mum and Dad. We are seeking for 1 hour and 30 minutes per day each
Yeah.
of EAFC 24.
Yeah.
Do you reckon they'll let us have it?
It matters how good it is.
Yeah, it matters. So what have we got? On one side, we got what we have done wrong.
Yeah.
We get that it's only just a game, don't we?
Yeah.
And I've realised I've matured from my old ways and it was very wrong.
Yeah.
Don't we?
Yeah.
Then we've got some ideas we'd like to show them.
Yeah.
We can have the old Xbox downstairs right here.
For me?
And we'll play an Xbox. It'll build a brotherly connection to us both, don't you think?
Yeah.
It will, won't it? And we can set up Frank an Xbox account and they can both have access to who he talks to what game he plays.
Yeah, and if I have it down here, Ted can use it on his computer.
I can use it on my computer too. Some rules. We haven't got to that yet, but what should we add in there?
What could the rules be?
Think of it in a minute, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want to read out the rules?
Yes.
So what we
no
got?
swearing.
No swearing.
No allowed to get mad.
Yep.
No throwing anything or punching.
Yep, that's a good one. That's a
We
really good
will
one.
respect when we have to get off.
Yep.
And we will not argue back.
Nope, no arguing back. And then in the final slide, we both will be very grateful if you do say yes, but we understand if your decision is otherwise. And Frank will say,
Thank you for your time. If there is any questions, and please do not just say no. Give us a reason for when you say you say no.
Exactly. We're going to try and put it on the TV up there, so it's a big PowerPoint, and we'll show you that.
Yeah.
So, Frank,
Yes, Ted.
you got to read out what bits you're doing there. So stand to the side, stand there. You stand there.
Yes.
Yeah, so then that's there, and I'll stand there.
Yeah.
And you got to read out what you're going to read out, yeah?
Okay.
So you say, we are seeking 1 hour and 30 minutes each day.
We are seeking 1 hour.
You got to speak to Mum and Dad, though. You got to look at the thing, and you got to look at me. Go on, then.
Okay. We are seeking 1 hour and 30 minutes each day.
Yep. And I'll say, I'll provide £50 towards the game, and Frank will provide 15.
Yes.
So then, this is what we have done wrong. We both understand how stressed we can get over it, but we have realised, and we do understand that it's just a game.
Yeah.
And you say, oh no, you say the top bit. You say the top bit, go on then.
We both understand how we can get stressed over it, but we have realised it is just a game.
And I'll say, I understand what I did was very wrong, but I've learnt from my ways and I've matured.
Yeah.
Some ideas we would like to show you. We can have the old Xbox downstairs in the front room, which is here. This will bond a brotherly connection to us both, and we can all have a good family time while playing the game.
We
And
can
Frank said,
set up me an Xbox account, and you both can have all access to what
I do.
I do, and who
I
speak, I talk to, and what games I play.
Yep. These are the rules. No swearing.
No getting mad at all.
No throwing anything or punching anything.
We will respect when we have to get off.
And then no arguing back. We both would be very grateful if you do say yes, but we do understand if the decision is otherwise.
Thank you for your time. If there is any questions, and please do not just say no, give us a reason for it.
Boom. That's it done. Now, we've got to go find a suit. We got our shirts ready for when they get back home.
Yes!
And we're going to show them that. Then hopefully they say yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we're going to cry tonight.
Yeah.
We'll cry ourselves to sleep, innit?
Yeah.
You're right, boy. You're going to be in there with us?
Yeah! Jim wants to play it.
Yeah.